bicycles there.
We play ties.
The playground? All right, bring yourself to the playground. And what would you do at the playground?
When you get too young. Yes, we will have snacks. Yes, what will you think? What do you think?
Remember when you were little, Chris? You were like in House 5 or 6.
The swings on the playground?
That's a good idea.
I think we might even have more swings on the playground. More.
There we go.
Do you think all of our friends are going to move to the new school? Nobody's going to stay here at the old school?
Where's House 5?
No.
We want to be together.
We are all going to be at the new school, like one big family.
There you go, and look at this. Here's our old school. That's where we are right now, right?
Yeah. Look how pretty the sky is.
Oh, I know,
Just
that was
like
a
it
pretty
is
day.
Today. Yeah.
But look, we need to come over here to the brand new school.
What?
Remember all the pictures we were looking at of our new school?
So how are we going to get there?
So put your house where you want to live. Where are you going to live?
Where are you going to?
You're going to live right there. Okay. Where are you going to live?
My mommy's going to drive. You got your house there?
Mommy will drive you. All right.
On my feet.
Pick a car. Well, here, I'll give you a car when it's your turn.
Are you good?
All right, Ty's turn. He needs to get from his house to the new school.
Okay, Ty.
Stay on the black
Are you going to go
line.
to cement truck?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Stay on the black line. Are you taking a straight shot? Here's our parking lot.
Go to the parking lot. We're taking a walk.
Oh, he had to go on the freeway. That was smart. Oh, you went back home. Ty, I'll hold your car while you watch Zoe. She's going to drive from her home to her school. Oh, she found it. Here's our parking lot. Come on in.
All right.
Yeah, put it in here. There you go. And your picture book can go in. Oh, don't forget that. Yeah, your hubby picture, and there's your journal. Oh, and your long hair. Oh yeah, that's gotta go with us. Good job. It's all your stuff right there. Hey, put it in. You're missing an eye? Okay. Well, all the eyeballs are packed. We'll have to fix it at the new school. Pop it in.
This here is boxes.
Let's put more in. In your picture book.
Okay, let's cheer. She's ready to put it in.
Over a little bit.
My body.
Right for you. Terry, it's coming to the new school. Your stuff will be there when you get there. All right. Hey, Brianna.
How about mine?
We'll get yours down. All right, put it in the box. Oh, yeah. You're back. Brianna, give me 5. That one, yes.